Hey guys, it's Angel here today, and guess what? We got another unboxing coming for you. So let's get inside. Let's get into it in just one moment. Alright guys, let's get in this box and see what new cool stuff has arrived today. Ooh, that's a nifty little box. I like it. I like it. Ooh, I even like it even more. I was wondering why it came in such a big box. Because I think there's only 80 ounces here. So it came in this cool little box. So, hey, now I got a cool little box to store some of my, some of my rolls that are heat packed. So let's see what we got first. It's the Papua New Guinea 1 Kina. And it's the Bird of Paradise from 2022. So that's pretty cool. This is a modern version of the classic coin. This bird's also on their flag. So this represents the colonies. It's on their flag. And in the 1895, it was minted in Berlin, the original coin, but they just decided to make a new modern proofy version, and these are only limited to like 10,000. So only 10,000 people can have this really cool, super proofy Bird of Paradise coin. So that's cool. We got 10 in that roll and 10 in that roll. All right, let's see what's up next. All right. It's a 2022 Niue. It's from Niue. What do you think it is? Let's flip it on over. It's the second. Let's see. I'm going to pop one of these out. Maybe. Maybe not. Broke my fingernail. Oh, man, I just broke my fingernail polish. All right, it's not coming out. I'm sorry. But this is the most powerful Predator series. This is the second in the series. And there's only 10,000 minted on this. So it depicts a bear and a cougar fighting it out. Fighting it out. All right, I popped one out just so we could probably see it better. So there's the bear, and there's the cougar. And there is a stupid white ring thing around the coin. These people that are making these capsules and coins, they should get it together, man. They need to start getting it together because, like, look, there's the ring on this one, too. It's kind of, like, upsetting because, you know, people want it to be in a nice ring, and if it gets jacked up, it's their own fault. But it's not your fault that it comes this way. So that kind of bites. I mean, at least it comes in a free capsule. Let's see. No, this one's not so bad. It's not so bad. You're only the best I ever had. Don't want you back. Yeah, so it's kind of upsetting that this roll has these in it, and there's nothing you can really do about it except for waste your money and put it in a new capsule, but I'm not gonna do that. So let me know, guys, which one of these two do you like the best? Do you like the bear and the cougar in the second of the Apex Predator series, or do you like this cool Birds of Paradise that's a modern version of an old coin? I think I'm kind of digging the proofy one, because I'm not gonna let the ring on there. I'm not gonna let the ring on there deter me from liking the coin. But I don't know. I guess I just like proofy. I just like the proofy one because it's just like stands out more. I mean, the back of this one's proofy, but the front, not so much. Not so much. Let me know in the comments right down there, right below me. Let me know which one you like the best. Let me know your opinions on them. And if you liked this, please give us a likey. And until next time, I will see you out there. Bye-bye.